Yes, today we are going to start fractional numbers. The meaning of fractional numbers, the concepts, and what it entails. Let's begin. Let's assume we have a pizza. You know, everybody like pizza, right? This is O, right? 1. Let's assume I invite one of my friends and we have to divide it into 2. So I can just have a division, right? Which means I have divided this one into 2. So I have half. Let's assume I invite 2 more friends and then we have to divide it into 4, right? Or into 3. So we have 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. Or 4 friends. So we can divide it into 4. What is happening here is called fraction. Fraction. Of course, we can divide into 8 to 16, but the more you are cutting it, the more it gets smaller, right? So it's very important not to invite too much friends. It's better you don't finish your pizza. So mathematically, if we said fractional is something up and something down, right? The name of this is called fractional, or some people call it fraction bar. Fraction bar. And fraction bar consists of numerator and denominator. Numerator and denominator. Upper is nomi and lower is denom. Now, what if we have fraction when the upper is bigger than the lower? That is, the numerator is bigger than denominator. So that takes us to the types of fraction. We have 3 of them. We have proper fraction, that is, the upper is small and the lower is big. We have improper fraction. This case, the numerator is big while the denominator is small. Now, the last one is mixed fraction. So this place we mix both fraction and whole numbers. In the last class we talked about whole numbers. So which means we can change this guy to mixed number because this is small. So the neck of this guy may die very soon. So to make this guy alive, we need to change it to mixed number. That is, we have some numbers. That is how many times 2 goes in 7. And let's quickly write it out. So we have 7 here, we have 2 here. How many times 2 goes in 7? If you do our normal elementary 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this 1, 2, 3. So it goes 3 times. So we have 3 here. So we multiply. We have 6 minus, and we have 1. So this is the remainder. So we have 3 whole number 1 over 2. And this is called mix. So this is 3 times of fraction. So The proper, of course, we can represent it in number line. In number line, it's a number from 0 to infinity, as no end, right? But to get a number from here means that this number never up to 1. So the number, let's say this is 0, this is 1, which means the proper fraction fall into this part. We can always see proper fraction into this part. But improper fraction starts from 1 to infinity, because it means that something is on its next. So which means when you have, the least you can have is 1, and then grow. Of course, this almost the same. So this also is starting from 0 to 1. I mean, from 1 up to, okay. In order to understand these types of fraction, let us solve one or two problems. The first question says, convert the mixed number to an improper. Improper means the numerator is bigger than the denominator. So, what is the number we have there? We have 4 whole number 6 over 11. So this is whole number, this is numerator, and this is denominator. So to convert it, what we do? We multiply. Don't forget how we come that time. So we multiply the denominator by whole number, and we add it to the numerator. What am I saying? So we have 11 times 4 plus 6, everything divided by 11. So we are converting that. And this will give us what? 44 plus 6 divided by 11. And finally, we have 50 over 11. So this is improper. Improper means what? The numerator is bigger than the denominator. So the neck of this guy might fall. So the second question says, convert improper to mixed number. Improper to mixed number. 23 out of 7. This is improper, right? We want to convert it to this side. So what do? We divide, right? We say, how many times 7 goes in? 23. So we can use our normal fraction. Okay, let's play around. Let's play around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3. Right? So we count in 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what is left is 2, right? So we can write this as 1, 2, 3. 3 whole number. What is remaining? 2 out of 7. It becomes mixed number.